In the month of August 2023, Prime Minister of Bharat, Narendra Modi, visited Greece for a day-long visit. Prime Minister's visit is the first to Greece by Indian Prime Minister in 40 years since Prime Minister Indira Gandhi visited the country in September 1983 for talks with European countries' top leadership to strengthen bilateral ties. Prime Minister of India and Greece pledged to boost their countries' trade, business, defense ties. Prime Minister of Greece said, based on these strong foundations of our long term relationship, we have the great joy of upgrading our cooperation out now to strategic relationship. Prime Minister Modi said that the two decided to reinforce bilateral relations in defense security sector as well as in infrastructure, agriculture, education and technology. Many commented that this visit is to balance the relationship with Turkey. Data बोलता है. This is our video number 19. ग्रीस के साथ द्विपक्षीय व्यापार 2014 से पहले और बाद में. Bilateral trade with Greece before and after 2014. Ministry of External Affairs website says Greece foreign policy is based on 3 points: close political and economic relations with the neighboring countries, participation in the European Union and other international organizations such as NATO, United Nations, WEU, OCSC, and number 3, protection of the rights of the people of Greek origin abroad, which is estimated at 8 millions. Greek policy orientation is based on the European model and endures to integrate itself in European foreign security and economic policies. India and Greece, they have very long back 6th century relationships. However, in modern era, India and Greece established diplomatic relations in May 1950. In modern times, the two countries have developed a warm relations based on common commitment to democracy, peace, and development in the world, and a social system imbued with principles of justice and equality. India and Greece also share common approaches to many international issues such as United Nations reforms and Cyprus. Greece has been consistently supporting India's core foreign policy objectives. India's exports to Greece aluminium, organic chemicals, iron and steel, fish, crustaceans, mollusks. India imports from Greece minerals, fuels, oil, distillation products, pulp of wood, fibrous, cellulosic material waste. It should be further noted that Greece is the entry point to Europe. So many of the products which are exported or imported may not be directly or indirectly from Greece but from the other European countries. So this is only a total import and export we are going to discuss in the coming slides. See, before 2014, exports usually fluctuated from approximately 750 million US dollars to 425 to 350 million US dollars, and almost flat between 300 and 400 million US dollars. Imports ranged from 79 million US dollars to 150 million dollars, and they were almost flat. This situation remained same till 2020. After 2020, there was a sudden rise in exports as well as imports. The total trade also that rose from 2020 and crossed approximately 1,400 million US dollars. Before that, it remained almost within the range, but the major rise started after 2020. Now, will this trade continue and the total trade will go on rising is the matter to be observed after Prime Minister's visit. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video on a new indicator. Thank you.